Hi, my name is Miss Heidi and today we're making 3D butterflies. The supplies we need for this craft are scissors, tape, a thick straw, a thin straw, washable marker, and construction paper. I chose orange. First, we're going to draw our butterfly. You can draw it yourself or trace it. I chose to trace mine, and then we're going to cut it out and we're going to make a design on the wings. So this is my butterfly. I just chose to color it a little bit, make it a little bit pretty, and then we're going to turn it over and we're going to use the thin straw because that's the straw that makes the butterfly move, and we're going to cut slits in each side, and then we're going to tape it to the back so that our butterfly's wings move. You just kind of flatten it out and tape right before the wing, and then we're going to take the thicker one and we're going to cut quite a bit, quite a ways down on each side. Do a little more actually. And we're going to put it over the thinner straw. There we go. Kind of lay it flat. We're going to tape it. I'm going to tape it a little bit more. And we want to make sure the thinner straw is sticking out. And then we're going to take the thinner straw and we're going to go up and down. And that is our 3D butterfly. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.